Hello my friend and welcome to my channel. Today I've got Bases Loaded Lacquer Dans and Beauty Big Bang XL-018. I've started off with Nailtiques Formula 2 as my base coat, and here is Dans by Bases Loaded Lacquer. It's a seriously crazy multi-chrome. So we're going to go in with our first coat. Sorry, the camera's jacking up. I'm a sucker for multi-chrome, duochrome. I don't care if it changes to 2 colors, 3 colors, 10 colors. I love it when a polish just changes color when you turn your hand in certain lights. It makes me happy. And this one is a stunner. Hi Woody, how you doing? Gotta clean up my mess. Alright, so here we go with our second coat of Dans, and it's definitely, you can see the green, there's a blue, there's a purple shift, and these polishes are so hard to capture on film and in photography that I just don't even know what to tell you. I'm going to top it with the Pro FX Quick Dry Top Coat. I'm going to get this one to dry down, and I'm going to do some playing, because that's what I do. I'm always playing. Play. Like a kid in the sandbox. But I'm just, oh my goodness. And I've got some more of her multi-chromes in my box to wear. So you're going to be seeing some more here soon. Woody back again for some business. There we go. I was hoping maybe if I turned you'd be able to see it. No, not so much. Maybe, yeah, a little bit of the blue maybe. Alright, so here's a swatch photo, and I have 2, and then there's another one. So you can see some of the different colors. I'm going to use Beauty Big Bang XL-018 and Frozen by Maniology to stamp with today. I've got my little AliExpress stamper out here, and I'm going to just use some different images. You guys, I love Halloween manicures. They're some of my favorite. But the month is just clicking right smooth on by me, and I don't have enough time to do all I want to do. So today I'm going to use a bunch of different images off of this plate, just so that, you know, I can play with them and look at them and enjoy them, because before you know it, my Halloween month is going to be over. So we're just going to use some different images off this plate. I recently used this plate for something else, so I'm hopefully not going to be repeating any of the images I've already used, but oh well, if I do, I do. I'm going to flip that image around and get it lined up and smush it on the nail. I really loved Frozen stamped over these nails. I thought the Frozen color looked great over Dan's. Okay, so this one is my least favorite stamp of the manicure. I don't know if I didn't execute it good, if I didn't do a good enough scrape. I don't know. Or maybe I just wasn't digging it. But I like it. I like all of the other ones, but I don't like this one. It just looks yucky to me. Alright, so we got one more, and we're going to slide this little image onto my pinky nail, and I cannot believe this fit. Love it. Alrighty, so I'm going to clean my plate off here with some pure acetone and wipe it with a paper towel. Kind of cleans it up a little good. And then I'm going to go in with a piece of tape and get some of this polish off of my skin. Oh, goodness. And then I'm going to take my cleanup brush and some acetone and clean up the rest of the way. Showing off that nail I wasn't crazy about. But we're going to top it with the Smudge Free Top Coat from Maniology. We're going to seal this one in. And then we're going to have to get Woody out here because I keep making messes. Messy girl. Alright. Once that other top coat is dry, I'm going to cover everything up with some Poshe top coat and seal this one in and call it finished. So there we go, nice glossy top coat going over everything. Even that tip, don't forget the tips. I forget my tips, such polish should be chipped off in one day. So here we go, Woody back again. Thank you, Woody. And here's my swatch photo. I hope you enjoyed this one. Leave me a comment down below. I want to thank you for watching. Until next time, be good to yourself.